What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ray Can Do It. My name's Ray. Glad y'all can join me. Today we are going to be testing the TaskStar Grease Gun Coupler. The company reached out to me, asked me if I would try it, do a little review on it and a video. I said, sure, I'll try it. The TaskStar Grease Gun Coupler, it's got 18-inch MPT threads, 12,000 PSI. So a little quick coupler for your grease gun. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And I'll go over a couple things with you. We'll get it installed and we will put it to use and I will give you my honest opinion. Guys, please like, subscribe, comment. Definitely appreciate it. Helps the algorithm of my channel. I enjoy seeing y'all's comments and definitely see all the new subscribers. I am pushing 12,000 subscribers right now and I just want to thank everybody that watches my videos. Definitely appreciate it. All right, guys, here we go. All right, this is the TaskStar Grease Gun Coupler. Go ahead and unbox this thing. Got a nice little coupler here. This guy has a dirt and dust cap on it. Some instructions. User manual. This is a grease gun coupler, 12,000 PSI, fits all SAE and DIN, which is metric specification grease zerks. 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, M6, M8, M10. It has 1/8 inch MPT female thread, compatible with all grease guns, battery, pneumatic, and manual. It is not compatible with all grease guns, the 1/8 inch. My other two grease guns I have, one which is a Milwaukee, the other is a, crap, I can't remember the name of it. But anyway, both of those have metric threads on it. So just an FYI, this does not fit all grease guns. You got to check your threads on your grease gun, see if it's metric or standard. But I do have one that is standard threads. It has an 1/8 inch MPT, so that's one we're going to be using it on. So here we go. Go ahead and take the old coupler off. Set it to the side. Let me get a paper towel right here. Clean the threads off. Make sure it's all nice and clean. This is all clean. All right. Let's go ahead and tighten this bad boy on here. You don't have to you don't have to kill it. Don't over tighten it. Just nice little snug. Got it on there. Oh, lost my rag. All you got to do is squeeze it. Go right on the zerk fitting. Like I said, it has a little dust cap on it. So let's go ahead and get some grease coming out of it, just in case there's any contaminants in there. There it goes. Right out. All right, that's the simple installation on the grease gun coupler from TaskStar. Let's go ahead over to the side-by-side here in just a second and grease up some zerk fittings. All right, let's go ahead and get a couple of these greased. Do these ball joints, clipped right on. 2 pumps, works great. Held tight, didn't leak. And get my bottom one. Clamped right on it. 1, 2. This thing works great, guys. This thing works really great, guys. All right, I got my belt off. Makes it a lot easier to get to this zerk fitting on the propeller shaft. I smoked my belt last weekend, so got all that apart. Right there. 3 nice little pumps. Got grease coming out. All right. See if I can get on these A-arms back here. Here's that one. Don't know if I can get in this tight one down here. This is the one I always have an issue with on my other. You look at that, guys. It goes right on it. Right in there. That's due to this long reach on here. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get this A-arm. Clamped right on it. 1, 2. All right. All right, guys. Tastar Grease Gun Coupler, 12,000 PSI. This thing works great. As you can see, I just did my ball joints, my A-arm bushings, everything on there. It got every place I needed to get, even the hard to reach places. Thankfully for the long coupling, I guess you'd call it, long snout on the coupling, that I was able to get some of the tight places on my A-arms that I have problems with my other grease guns. Thing works great. Like I said, the only issue I found, it's for 1/8 inch threads. A lot of grease guns do have metric threads, so you need to verify that before you order one. But my other 2 grease guns, it will not fit. I will include a 10% off code in the description and a place where to get it. That is courtesy of TaskStar. But would I buy one of these? Yes, I would. Would I buy a couple of them? Actually, yes, I would. I would replace all of my grease guns with one of these couplers. Number 1, it has 2 to squeeze on it, instead a lot of them just have just one little thumb release lever. This has 2. It goes right on the zerk fittings. Even when I put a lot of pressure on my I have sealed bushings on my A-arms. Put a lot of pressure on it. It never did leak out around the zerk fitting. It stayed in there. It kept the pressure in there. So seal's really good. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. It's definitely a nice little additive to your grease gun. Very inexpensively priced. Once again, I will leave a link in the description. Guys, thank y'all for watching. I definitely appreciate y'all. Once again, I am almost at 12,000 subscribers. Probably by the time this video is posted, I will be at 12,000 subscribers. That is very impressive. Thanks everybody for your support. Like, comment, definitely subscribe. I appreciate it. We have some big things coming here in the near future. Got a lot of other stuff that's coming up that's I'm really excited to be able to do and try out. I'm going to try to get some merch coming soon. Some stickers, t-shirts, stuff like that. I am constantly working on that daily, trying to get something worked out and try to make it inexpensive for everybody. Tastar, 12,000 PSI, Grease Gun Coupler, guys. Definitely a must-have. Definitely recommend buying this. Thanks for watching, guys. Once again, please like, subscribe, comment. Until the next time, thank you for joining.